Hey, this is Dean at Autotech. We are here with another post-repair inspection. This customer had his car vandalized. Someone ran up his hood, smashed his front windshield, smashed out his back glass, tried to break in his left side, did a lot of damage over there. The customer was referred to his insurance referral shop, big chain, and as soon as he picked his vehicle up, he was not happy and he actually drove straight to our shop. So this car came straight from one shop to our shop, and this is basically what we found. The shop did 8 hours worth of repair to this hood, and when you look at it, it's all wavy. There's still dents in it. You can see it settled into the bodywork. They have clear hanging off, big chunks of clear hanging off the edge here. There's a big giant something in here that they let go. The middle hood is already cracking. There's all crow's feet all around the middle of the hood. They did hard tape lines all around the either side instead of going across the roof and down the other side and painting the jams. They never took his quarter glass out, so there's tape lines on the outside here. The trunk lid is also a disaster. There's rough tape lines in the back. There's all dirt and dryness on the back. They scratched the trunk lid, put the tail light in back here. But that's really the minor stuff. What is worse about this car is when it went to the shop, they never put any collision wrap on the back of the car. And when the car went to the shop, it rained for a few hours and then snowed with no back glass in the car. So he has pictures of this from the shop where there's actually snow inside the customer's car. And that's even not the worst of it. But when you look in this customer's car with a flashlight, it lights up like a disco ball. There's literally glass everywhere. And there's glass loaded in his trunk. There's glass on his seats, in the center console, down in his dashboard, in his vents, all on his floor, and his seat tracks. This car 100% should have been totaled, and they should have never let this guy drive out. And they said to him, you might see a little glass in your car. There's glass up in his sunroof. You can hear it crunching when the sunroof goes back. This thing is a total disaster. And this customer trusted this shop and his insurance company to do the right thing and send him to the right place. And instead of totaling the guy's car because of the safety reasons, they tried to make a quick job out of it and make a mess of it and let the guy drive away with an unsafe vehicle that's totally loaded with glass. This is completely unacceptable. This is Dean at Autotech. Check us out at autotechcollision.com.